Hey there, need to grab an invoice from the Namecheap? It's super easy and I'm going to show you how step by step. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first, make sure that you have already logged into your Namecheap account. I already have logged in and this is how the dashboard of Namecheap look like. Now scroll down until you see profile. So you can see an option for profile which is over here. Tap on it. This is a profile and under profile you can see an option for billing. Tap on billing. Within the billing, click on the billing history which is down there. Scroll down and this is the billing history. Let's tap on view all. And over here you will see a list of your transaction. Find the transaction that you need an invoice for. Right now my bill history is empty because I haven't purchased any domain from this site. However, I will guide you through the process. So after finding the transaction you need an invoice for, to the right of each transaction you will spot an invoice button. Yeah, click on that and bam. Then you will be taken directly to the file section where you can download the invoice. And that's it. Super simple, right? Now you know exactly how to get your invoice from Namecheap. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.